Great. I'm here with Erin and Dusty Stanczyk, who are local authors and YouTubers who are here to show their new cookbook. And tell us a little about how you got to Florida, first of all.
Yeah. We've been doing retreats because the YouTube channel kind of took off. We had been doing retreats in Costa Rica. Loved, you know, obviously the weather, the jungle, the tropical fruit. And we had one son, our son Max at the time, another one came along. Now we've got 3, and we were like, you know, as much as we'd love to move to a place like Costa Rica, Amazon Prime, getting diapers, like what if we could stay in the States? Florida was our next best option, so we came and we haven't left yet.
Well, there are a lot of people who go back and forth to Costa Rica.
Right,
It's
an easy jump.
Kind of close. And the climate there is very, very close things. What, from y'all's work, what made you decide to do a book version of it? Because a lot of people don't make that jump.
Right.
I think just our artistic tendencies and just wanting to showcase all of the colorful vibrancy that comes with a whole food plant-based diet and just encapsulate it into something like a beautiful coffee table work of art that's a conversation piece or on your kitchen countertop. And
do you find it's reaching people that don't necessarily catch internet video?
For sure.
Oh, absolutely. Definitely.
We've got a lot of older followers because, again, it's about health and wellness, right? And unfortunately, most people don't catch on to the health aspect until they're older. So it's like, I'm not on YouTube, but I found your cookbook and this is perfect for me.
The photography is absolutely spectacular. Tell me a little bit about how you all made the decisions there. Does Harper help with that too?
Honestly, they saw our work. We had a senior editor of HarperCollins who was an avid follower of our channel and our work, and she said, love what you guys are doing. We want you guys to tackle this project yourselves. So we made every single recipe. We had our kids were our tiny taste testers. You can see their hands in the photos, a little bit imperfect, I guess you'd say, but we ended up really loving the way it turned out. Getting to, you know, do it as a family and enjoy all the meals.
So I'm looking here like collard wraps. It's hard to make that look appetizing, at least for me. Non-plant. I mean, is that something that you all did, or is that?
We did it. Erin is the food. She's the creator, you know. And again, we never planned on eating this way, but the food, it looks good, it tastes good, we have fun with it, and believe it or not, they're all our recipes and all of our own photos. And
so Nebraska to here, are you able to eat it even better here, or are you able to get started there?
Yeah, no, we did it.
Surprisingly, it's about the same.
It's about the same?
Yeah, we were lucky enough to have Whole Foods and everything back home, and as long as you get good groceries, we can make it happen. And that was part of it too. You know, we wanted to make it accessible for anybody, you know, so whether you're in North Dakota or Nebraska or Canada, we have a lot of Canadian followers, believe it or not. And we're like, hey, you know, you can find most of this food at any grocery store, and that's been a big thing for people too.
For a non-plant-based person that's jumping into this, what would be 1 or 2 recipes in here that you'd say to get started with?
I think like our lentil bolognese is a great one, and we have a lot of our date night favorites. We really love Indian cuisine and Thai cuisine, and come to find out, most of it is vegan or vegetarian already, and we just don't realize it. And just, you know, swapping things like chicken for tofu and rice seasonings.
The green smoothie too.
Like the green smoothie, that was a great picture.
Start your day with the green smoothie. It's easy, it's sweet, it's a salad in a glass, but it doesn't taste like it, and that'll transform your health quickly.
I'm in the ginger.
There you go. That's a tough one.
That's definitely not a beginner friendly one.
All right. Hey, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.